Let's try subtracting 27,419 from 31,220. So let's write the expanded form of these numbers. Let's start with 31,220, which is equal to 30,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 0. And then next we have 27,419, which is equal to 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 9. So this is a subtraction operation. We are subtracting 27,419 from 31,220. That means we have to perform subtraction in each of the value of each place. So we do subtraction on the 10,000s place, on the thousands place, on the hundreds place, on the tens place, and also in the ones place. So let's put a line here to separate the decomposed numbers from the answer of our subtraction. So let's start from the ones place. What is the answer to 0 minus 9? We cannot subtract anything from 0 because we cannot take away anything from 0. But we still have to perform the subtraction. So what do? This is a case where we need to borrow from the next place. So from the tens place, we are going to borrow 10. So what we do is we add 10 here, and we are going to subtract 10 from here. So instead of 20, this is going to be now 10. So now we can do subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now let's proceed to the tens place. 10 minus 10 is 0. Let's proceed to the hundreds place. 200 minus 400 is... well, it's not possible because 200 is less than 400, so we cannot subtract 400 from 200. So this is a case where we need to borrow again from the next place so that we can do subtraction. So we're going to borrow 1,000 from the thousands place. So instead of 200, this is now going to be 1,200. And our 1,000, since we gave it to the hundreds place, is going to be no more because we took away 1,000 and gave it to the hundreds place. Now, it's possible to do subtraction. So 1,200 minus 400 is 800. Now, moving on to the thousands place, we have 0 minus 7,000, which is not possible because we cannot subtract anything from 0. Right? So what we do here is we are going to borrow 10,000 from the 10,000s place. So we're going to transfer 10,000 from the 10,000s place and give it to 1,000s place. So instead of 0, we are now going to have 10,000 here. And since we got 10,000 from 30,000, this is now going to be 20,000. So now we can perform subtraction. So 10,000 minus 7,000 is 3,000. And 20,000 minus 20,000 is 0. So now we have numbers here which actually represent the value of the subtraction of each of the places of our numbers. So we can just put a plus sign here. And if we add all these numbers up, we are going to get a new number, which is 3,801, which is the answer to our problem, which is 31,220 minus 27,419 is equal to 3,801.